Hello viewers, this is Sanyang view. See, rapidly development, as you can see. Sanyang view, rapidly development, fresh air, yeah, 450, cash, oh my God, I wish I was to get one plot here, this rapid development. I like it. Our customer in that building, they're securing their place, Look at this. Yeah, this rapid development. I like it. It's sanyang. You see? Yeah. Look at this. No. Just take a look. Just rapid development. Very nice houses here. Look at that white house, boy. I said, look at that white house. Look at that white house. I like this one, man. Look. Oh my God. That's it. That's it. Good to go. I like it. All this. We have 2 more plots to go, 2 more plots to go. It's not far from the view. It's not far from the beach. 2 more plots to go. Yeah. We have good entrance road. You see, good entrance road. So no struggling to with your colleagues. They are very good location. You see, people are living here. It's rapid development. Yeah, I like this. So look at the people. I can't wait. The customers, they're just moving. So two more plots to go here. Let me have a view of the other side. Now, because of the sun, maybe you can have a look. Maybe you see. All these are houses. All these are houses. All are houses. So, yeah. Thank you.